Hi mates, I'm going to show you a new cat mod I created. It's called HelperBars. It's for you to create something like this. So it's reach 0 or 128. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need is to go to Project CatMods and activate this. Okay, in my project currently I have 3 folders, one for rooms, other for templates, another for textures. In textures we have one placeholder created texture for increase, another for decrease, one for the background of the bar, another for the foreground of the bar. Okay, so uh, with all sprites we have to create a template for each one. So then we do some logic inside of them. Okay, so I'm going to explain how this works because as you see this HP bar is a very global, which stores the whole uh, bar parameters. Okay, so in catnip we go to, let me move this to other side, room end for instance, just to remove from here. Okay, so in your room start you have to look for helper here, helper bar, and just drag and drop. You can use an ID to identify a bar, maybe because we can we we can make one bar for health and another for mana and another for experience and so on. So it's easy for you to identify that bar with a number. So the mean value normally is 0. The current, let's make this 100, and the max 128. These values can be set to anything to fit your current project. The X position, let's say 20, the Y 20. So here we select our template for a background, and here the foreground. This is not implemented yet, but the idea is to have horizontal and vertical bars, but it's not implemented yet. So what we need to do here is to save the whole the whole bar into a variable. We say this here, and later this function uh, is updating constantly every frame, checking if we deal damage or take heal, for instance. So here, this, no problem with this. So into the buttons, to increase or decrease, we have to check if our bar exists, and if is true, then when we click on this button, we pass that bar and an amount. And for increase is the same. We check if the bar exists and we pass a value to increase. Let's check this. Okay, so as you can see here, it's checking every time, every frame. That is because of this. It's checking every frame. So for instance, if this is a player and take damage, you see, if it reach 0 or below, is always 0. And we take some potions, we increase 120 and 128. And if we take more potions, it never goes above 128. And that's it. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.